Welcome to the future of India's urban living, a landmark development that blends opulence, innovation, and a vision for tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is M3M SCDA, a masterpiece by M3M, crafted to be the most desirable address in India. At the heart of SCDA's allure lies the Dwarka Expressway, a marvel of modern infrastructure, also known as Northern Peripheral Road. This expressway is India's first urban elevated expressway, symbolizing connectivity like never before. This is not just a road. It's a lifeline connecting Delhi and Gurugram, two of India's most thriving regions. Can you imagine the possibilities? This is not just about connectivity. It's about the future of accessibility, making SCDA one of the most promising investment corridors in India. Now, what are we waiting for? Let's dive into this iconic township, Golf Estate at SCDA. Spread across a massive 350 acres, this development is just not a place to live. It's a city within a city. M3M Crown, the crown jewel of the township. M3M Capital. This high-rise marvel offers breathtaking views of Lush. M3M Capital Walk, a hub for high-street retail, dining, and entertainment. M3M Mansion, for those who desire exclusivity. This township is just not a home, it's a lifestyle. It's where luxury, convenience, and community come together to make something really special. Welcome to the world of unmatched leisure and recreation with two iconic clubs, Club Opel and Club Imperial. This is where luxury meets lifestyle and crafted not just for today, but for generations to come. Now let's talk about why M3M.SCDA is not just a lifestyle upgrade, but one of the best investment opportunities in India right now. With upcoming business hubs, embassies, and cultural landmarks, property values here are set to skyrocket, making this the most safest and lucrative investment option by letting you enjoy exponential returns on your investment. But that's not all. SCDA is designed with sustainability at its core, offers a tranquil escape from the hustle of city life, making this a heaven for all nature lovers. So why wait? This is more than just a home. It's an opportunity to be a part of something monumental. M3M SCDA offers a perfect blend of luxury, connectivity, and growth potential.